curiosity minds. Today we will be learning exercise 1.5 problem 1 in the chapter Relations and Functions. Let's do.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to see 10th State Board Syllabus Relations and Functions exercise 1.5 problem 1 and this is video number 14. Before going into the exercise, we need to know what is f.g. Do you have any idea what is f.g? Let me explain. Let us take two polynomials, that is f of x and g of x. Okay? They are two polynomials. Okay? Now, what is f.g? f.g is f of g of x. Clear? F of g of x. Understand? Now, let me give you an example. Okay? Now, what is it? Let's take f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared. Now, we have to find f dot g. What is f dot g? F of g of x. So, f of, what is g of x? X squared. So, f of g of x, so f of x squared. Now, what is f of x squared? In f of x, instead of x, I am going to replace with this x squared. So, 2 into x squared plus 3. So, 2x plus 3. 2x squared plus 3. This is f dot g. Understood? F dot g is f of g of x. So, f of x squared and in f of x, I am going to replace x with x squared. Clear? This is f dot g. I hope you are getting a slight idea. Is it true? Now, we have to find f dot g, g dot f, and we have to check whether these two are equal. Now, in the question, f of x is given which is equal to x minus 6, g of x is x squared. What is f dot g? F of g of x. So, f of, what is g of x? X squared. So, what is f of x squared? In f of x, we have to replace the x with this x squared. So, what is f of x? X minus 6. So, instead of x, I am replacing with x squared. So, x squared minus 6. So, f dot g is x squared minus 6. Now, we have to find g dot f. That is g of x. Okay? So, g of, what is f of x? X minus 6. So, g of x minus 6. What is g of x minus 6? We have to take g of x and in the place of x, we have to replace with this x minus 6. What is g of x? X squared. So, now it is x minus 6 the whole square, which is equal to x squared minus 12x plus 36. Here, I have used only the a minus b whole squared formula, which is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? So, I have found g dot f. Okay? So, I am going to mark it as 2. Okay? So, from 1 and 2, it's clear that 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, f dot g is not equal to g dot f in this case. Okay? Clear? Now, the second question is, f of x is equal to 2 by x and g of x is equal to 2x squared minus 1. First, we have to find f dot g. Okay? So, f dot g is equal to f of g of x. Very good. So, f of g of x. So, f of, what is g of x? 2x squared minus 1. Now, what is f of 2x squared minus 1? We have to take f of x and in the place of x, I am going to replace with 2 of x squared minus 1. So, in 2 by x, I am going to replace 2 by 2x squared minus 1. This is f dot g. Clear? That is f of g of x. That is f of 2x squared minus 1. That is equal to 2 by 2x squared minus 1. This is 1. Okay? Now g dot f. That is g of f of x. G of, what is f of x? 2 by x. What is g of 2 by x? In g of x, I am going to remove that x and replace with 2 by x. So, what is g of x? 2x squared minus 1. So, 2 into 2 by x whole squared minus 1. That is 2 into 4 by x squared minus 1, which is equal to 8 by x squared minus 1. This is g dot f. Clear? So I am marking it as 2. Now on saying 1 and 2, it's clearly proved that 1 is not equal to 2. So f dot g is not equal to g dot f in this case. Clear? Do you understand? Now let's go to the third question. F of x is equal to x plus 6 by 3. G of x is equal to 3 minus x. So we have to find f of g. Okay? So f dot g is equal to f of g of x. That is f of, what is g of x? 3 minus x. So what is f of 3 minus x? We have to take f of x, and in f of x we have to replace x with 3 minus x. So what is f of x? X plus 6 by 3. So in x we have to write 3 minus 6. So 3 minus x plus 6 by 3. Okay? So 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 minus x by 3. Clear? Understood? Now let's mark it as 1. Now we have to find g dot f, that is g of f of x, which is equal to g of, what is f of x? X plus 6 by 3. Isn't it? So g of x plus 6 by 3. What is g of x plus 6 by 3? We have to take g of x in 3 minus x. We have to replace x by this x plus 6 by 3. So 3 minus x plus 6 by 3. Now we have to take LCM. That is 3 is the LCM. So 3 into 3 minus x plus 6 by 3. So LCM we have to take 3 as LCM. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 minus x minus 6 by 3. That is equal to 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 minus x by 3. Okay. This is g dot f. I am marking it as 2. Okay. 3 minus x by 3 is g dot f. I am marking it as 2. On seeing 1 and 2, you can clearly say that 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, f dot g is not equal to g dot f. Clear? Now, let's go to the fourth question. Here, f of x is equal to 3 plus x. G of x is equal to x minus 4. We have to find f dot g, g of f, and we have to check whether they are equal or not. First, we have to find f dot g, that is f of g of x. Very good. So f of, what is g of x? X minus 4. We know f of x is 3 plus x. So f of x minus 4 is 3 plus x minus 4. Instead of x, I am replacing with x minus 4. So 3 plus x minus 4, that is equal to x minus 1. So minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So x minus 1. This is f dot g, and I am marking it as 1. Now we have to find g dot f. Okay, that is g of f of x, which is equal to g of, what is f of x? 3 plus x. We know g of x. Now we have to find g of 3 plus x. So in g of x, instead of x, I am replacing with 3 plus x. So 3 plus x minus 4, which is equal to x minus 1. I am marking it as 2. This is g dot f. Now on seeing 1 and 2, we can say that 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, f dot g is equal to g dot f in this case. Clear? Do you have any doubts? No, isn't it? Okay. Now let's go to the fifth question. F of x is equal to 4x squared minus 1. G of x is equal to 1 plus x. We have to first find f dot g. F dot g is equal to f of g of x. So f of, what is g of x? 1 plus x. So we know f of x. So we need to find f of 1 plus x. So in x, we have to replace 1 plus x in f of x. So 4x squared minus 1 is f of x. So 4 into 1 plus x the whole squared minus 1. This looks like a plus b the whole squared, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 4 into 1 plus 2x plus x squared minus 1. So 4 into 1, 4 into 2x, 4 into x squared, because 4 is a common multiplicand with the numbers, isn't it? So 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2x is 8x, 4 into x squared is 4x squared minus 1. So 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. Okay? This is f dot g. So I'm marking it as 1. Now we have to find g dot f. So g of f of x. Okay? Which is equal to g of what is f of x? 4x squared minus 1. So what is g of 4x squared minus 1? In g of x, we have to replace the x with this 4x squared minus 1. So 1 plus 4x squared minus 1. 1 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So that is equal to 4x squared. So g dot f is equal to 4x squared and marking it as 2. We have to compare 1 and 2 and it's clear that 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore f dot g is not equal to g dot f in this case. Clear? Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, comment down and I will clear it for you. With this, exercise 1.5, question number 1 is over. We can see the remaining sums in the next video. I have given the link of the playlist in the description box. Please make use of it. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off, Parvina Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts, comment